packing box, storage bag, manual, watchpan, multimeter, complete accessories. Battery installation. Remove the back battery compartment cover and put into AAA batteries. Press the button and select acidity and time. Then la multimeter. Put also a perpetual calendar. Switch to AAA mode. Set elim time. And their reminder will be shown when the team is up. Real-time display of temperature and humidity. Always pay attention to the changes in surrounding temperature. Connect watch pen to the current port. Direct current. Switch to the corresponding ground. Connect the 9 series zone info Diode. Alternating current. Switch to the corresponding ground. Connect the 9 series zone info Diode. Map current. Switch to the corresponding ground. Connect the 9 series zone info Diode. Mark current. Switch to the corresponding ground. Connect the 9 series zone info Diode. Voltage. Switch to the corresponding and torch can correspond to the positive and negative electrons of the battery. A voltage, and the general household voltage is around 220 V. Resistance. Switch to the corresponding gear, and the stylus can contact with the resistance. Buzzer. Switch to the corresponding grandestion of beep. A beep indicate normal and unobstructed, and a sullen sound into the marge. Diodes. Switch to the corresponding gear, and watch can correspond to the positive and negative electrodes of the diode. Capacitance. A short discharge is required for the test. Switch to the corresponding gear, and watch can contact with the capacitor. Frequency. Switch to the corresponding ground operating zone info Diode.